Hi, how are you? Are you busy today?
Hi to I good not busy why.
I went to make an appointment by car to my place.
Wait for me to come.
Thank you. Yes, I hope you can help solve the problem of company finance.
Okay, see you.
See you later.
See you later. Good morning, Norma.
Good morning, Lupita.
Sorry in advance. Have you cancelled today meeting?
Maybe why it was cancelled.
I can have a meeting today because the financial statements are not accurate.
Okay, then I accept your reasoning.
Thank you again. I am sorry.
It's okay. Can we replace the meeting some other time?
Yes, of course, around the 20 years.
Yes, I can see you later.
See you later.